Tired of being tied down to your audio or video player? The Connect Control Remote by Taramp offers a simple way to take control wirelessly. Imagine managing up to 16 functions from as far as 300 meters away, without any complicated wiring or installations. This remote is designed to give you freedom and convenience, whether you're at home, in the studio, or on the go. What sets the Connect Control Remote apart is its plug-and-play USB installation. Just connect the receiver directly to your player's USB port, no electrician needed. The remote syncs easily with up to 3 controls in the same system, making it perfect for multi-user environments or complex setups. Plus, it comes preloaded with multiple device profiles, so compatibility won't slow you down. If you have other remotes, the learning function lets you program them into this system, keeping all your controls in one place. Durability and smart design matter, too. The remote features a modern look with a rubber protective case that's impact-resistant. It's built to last and handle everyday use without faltering. Anti-copy technology keeps your settings secure, and the Smart Economy mode conserves battery life, so you're not constantly swapping out power sources. Speaking of power, it runs on a County Route 2032 battery and draws minimal current, while the receiver itself operates on standard 5 volts USB power. Users across the United States have praised the Connect Control Remote for its reliability and range. One review highlights how it works flawlessly from over 50 feet away, ideal for those who don't want to be glued to their radio or player every few seconds. This kind of freedom changes how you interact with your equipment, making it less about managing buttons and more about enjoying the experience. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to control your audio and video gear from a distance, the Connect Control Remote is worth a look. It combines long-range technology with easy setup, durable design, and versatile compatibility. Whether you're upgrading your home system or streamlining your workspace, this remote simplifies your control and keeps you connected without the clutter. Try it when you're ready to cut the cords and gain wireless command. The Connect Control Remote offers what you get: effortless control, extended reach, and peace of mind. Make your setup smarter and your life easier, because managing your devices shouldn't be a chore.